So we're at the convergence of something very, very interesting, and I want to share this with you because it's going to help somebody out there watching this video. Basically, the attitude towards Amazon FBA fluctuates from being where's my pen? There it is. From being at all-time highs, everyone should get started on Amazon FBA, to all-time lows as no one should get started. Everyone, no one. And does this every 2 to 3 years. And at the moment, we're sort of coming out of a low. We're probably about here. Where it's basically like Amazon FBA is not the greatest thing in the world, and you can tell this by when you search Amazon FBA on YouTube. All the top videos are all negative. All the ones, it plays on people's fear about Amazon FBA. So at the moment we're in a low, where say this was late 2017, that's when things were at an all-time high, and everyone and their dog were selling on Amazon. Now, why we're at a convergence at the moment is very interesting, because the global markets are also in a downturn, where for the last few years we've been at an all-time high in the markets, but now all of a sudden the markets have crumbled. The economy is also in a downturn, and we're at this point in time, which is a massive, massive opportunity if you let it be, where both the market and people's speculation on Amazon FBA are at all-time lows. However, the one thing that's not at an all-time low is Amazon. Amazon is at an all-time high, and if you look up, I haven't got the graph ready this time, but I've put in so many of my YouTube videos. Their sales are so exponential, especially, I had to take that like 3 or 4 times, especially because everyone's stuck at home and everyone's ordering online. So Amazon are making so much money, and so are a lot of FBA sellers who are in the essential or in the at-home product niches. And the market's at an all-time low, and so is everybody's opinion on it. And this is an opportunity. I didn't really know what content to bring you at the moment, and that's why I thought I'd bring you this, because it's going to help somebody to double down right now. And you can see Amazon FBA search over time. So people trying to get started with Amazon FBA is at a low at the moment. Everyone, they're sort of trying to hold their cash. They're trying to stay safe and not start new business ventures. And it's at a 63 out of 100 in terms of search volume. When we go back here to 2017, January 2017, and even you can go up to the middle of 2017, it's at a 74. So the demand to actually get started on Amazon FBA and the demand to sell on Amazon FBA is at 2017 levels. Not only that, people have been running out of stock, because up until very recently, Amazon stopped allowing new shipments to go into Amazon, and a lot of people who can't manage their cash flow in their businesses and couldn't get new stock in, the momentum on their listings are resetting. So we're at this convergence of all these markets at all-time lows, and like Warren Buffett, I've got a quote on Pinterest for you: be fearful when others are greedy, and be greedy when others are fearful. At the moment, there are so many fearful people out there. Now, I'm not saying Amazon FBA is right for everyone. I'll link up the description below if Amazon FBA is right for you, so I can keep this video nice and short. But essentially, we're doubling down, we're tripling down on our personal businesses. We're going to be documenting it here on YouTube, so make sure you hit that subscribe and that like button so you get updates for that. And we're going to be doubling down, and so are a lot of people. And in 2021, early 2021, or even late 2020, that's when the results are really going to start to pay off. That's when we're going to get weighed in upon on how well we've acted in this period of time. Now, once again, Amazon FBA specifically is not for everybody, but a lot of markets at the moment are in a downturn. So whether you do Amazon, whether you do e-commerce or Shopify, or maybe you just flip items on eBay, whatever you're doing in the e-commerce niche, now's the time to get started. If you don't have any cash or any money, start to have a look at my other videos. I recommend how you can start to make money on that and get educated. Make sure you're reading as many books as possible and leveling yourself up above all your competitors and above everybody else selling out there, and you'll get superior results because you have the superior education. So stay positive, stay optimistic, and work on yourself and work on your business, and you'll come out on top.